moving on to chapter 3. I apologize that my voice was very tired, but I'm really sleepy. But, I gotta do this to live. So let's continue. Okay, chapter 3, human geography. Should I make... So, cultural activities, all I did was just make lines by going to format, drawing tools format, and these lines over here are really useful. I made them bigger using width and stuff. I also did, I pretty much did this for chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, and all that. I also designed lines. There's different types of lines. And just to separate and stuff, and I also added borders because I want the audience to get the feel of what theme the parade, each of the parades are, like what kinds. For example, Santa Claus parade, I want to put like green, red, some snowflakes, just to represent that it's, Santa time. They do this in December. It's more like a Christmas time, Christmas theme. For wine festival, obviously I put wine as the order and etc. So for this, for the animations, it was a bit different actually. So did you see that, like where it went down there? And yeah, I tried to make it. So we see that back like that, and then next we'll go like this way, So I want to have some sort of a pattern. I don't want to make everything random and like not make sense, because if you look closely, there's like I did everything like these and stuff for like a reason and stuff. It's just, I don't know, I like that little, I like those little touches, just to make it look better. I don't know, in my opinion, I think I'm a little OCD or something. Okay, so, anyways, see, I did some portraits over here. No animation whatsoever, that's how I put the portraits. And just to show my simplicity and stuff. And yeah, I made some more custom lines. Yay. And made sure it responded to the pictures. I try to, like waterfall, you want to make wiggle because the water. And then I also formatted the images over here. See those? You see the format here? I mostly picked this because I like the soft edge. I like things that like kind of fades and stuff, not like solid line over there. And yeah, for this one though, okay, so what I did for my 15th slide, talking about what made it possible for minerals, natural resources, minerals in nearby Niagara Falls to exist. So basically what I did for this is I did a lot of animation, that's for sure, and basically I would just put all these, insert all these images. I actually made this rectangle, like over here. You can just make a rectangle like that. And I obviously edited it and just added text there and stuff. Yeah. And that's what I did for this part, and for animations, so just really simple, just make it move from here to there. Then make these pops out, just to signify, just to represent what I'm saying on the text. And over here, I made this flow in like this during the presentation, just to make it correspond to the text over here. And I made sure I used okay, so I basically did this for every slide, almost every slide, majority of my slides. So I'm so used to this. I adjust this speed, because here it says magma rises towards surface, takes 1,000 millimeters. So it's really slow. So I adjust the speed to very slow and stuff. And I used just for the other ones, I used a lot of direction thing. I think that's what you call it. Okay, so I changed the direction a lot so it corresponds. into it because I don't want to be like make it left. Wait, no. Well, because I don't want to just make it weird. Yeah. For this part though, all I did was just made lines using this one over here. Just made lines like these, and I colored them. I just edited them with format shape. I made them wider, the length, line color, change it, and then obviously you can see that glow there. Of course, I used the glow. Where's that glow? I mean shadow. My bad. Shadow. That thing. I made orange, like that. So basically, I did like a lot of those lines and just put them together and see over there. I put a lot of lines actually. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I made like 7 lines. Made sure they're coming up from the bottom to the top so they can do this. Make it slow too because it says it's pretty slow over here as it says on the text box. And yes, I just made another square there. Made sure it fades because as it cools the mirror, I decided to use the fade animation to really make it really correspond to information text right here. And yeah, that's the slide number 16th. I did some more animations. I decided to make the text over here move to the picture portraits over here, so because I don't want to get the audience confused, like, oh wait, like what is that what is that supposed to represent and stuff, like, oh, this is just carnival, what's that supposed to represent? But I actually want this to flow just to give the audience a better idea of what I'm trying to do, just in case some don't understand. And I put all this in point form. Sustainable, yes, due to. So for this, I kind of wait for this. Okay, so for this, instead of doing jot notes, I did do jot notes. Decided to do like equal and then equal, because I didn't want to do sentences since I'm not supposed to put that much words in one sentence. So I just tried to do equal, and I'm pretty sure my audience can understand that. And it's equal and equal. Use that format to present my information. I think it's a lot simpler too.